Okay, 3 trucks. I just hope that... Oh, of course. Slender Engine catches me, but he's not even on the track. 3 times. You lose the Slender Engine game 3 times. I knew I shouldn't have told him about this. That's bad luck for you, Duck. Be quiet. You're just a scaredy engine, that's all. Okay, I think I got the map memorized, and then I'm gonna beat this game. Okay, now I got 1 truck, and... Okay, you gotta be kidding me. Who puts a truck at a dead end? I'm gonna be stuck here. The Slender Engine will get me. Whatever. Guess I had to take a chance. Oh good, he's not around that corner. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that sound and get this truck out of the sheds. This is weird. I haven't seen the Slender Engine. Now I'm starting to get freaked out. Okay. Truck number 7. And I only need 1 more. 1 more truck. And then I win. Man, I already been here. Oh! There's gotta be a last truck. There's gotta be. I don't know where it is. Yes, I did it. What do I do? Okay, so... Oh, come on. That wasn't nice. Oh, it is nice. Daytime. That's good. I think that means I win. Ha, I beat you, Diesel. I collected all 8 trucks. Grrr, this isn't over. Actually, it is, since, well, I finished the game. Grrr, I'm out of here. Since you have collected all 8 trucks, you unlocked a secret hidden mode which is called daytime mode, where you can play the game in daytime. That's awesome. That sounds like fun. Did someone say fun? Oh, me and the driver are just talking about the Slender Engine game. That sounds interesting. I hope it sounds fun. Can I play? I don't know. Oh, come on. I'm pretty sure it's fun. But the game is scary, you know. I'm pretty sure it isn't scary.